Howdy, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? We had a ton of rain yesterday and the day before, mostly the day before, and gives me a good opportunity to see how things held up out here. When I say a ton of rain, I'm talking torrential downpour, gully washer, pouring rain. It's like, if you've never been in Georgia in a big rainstorm, you probably don't even know what a big rainstorm is, because when they have one down here, boy, it's an amazing occurrence. It's not that amazing because it happens a lot, but I mean, it's just, if you could say rain can be brutal, it can be really, really brutal if you're down here in a big rainstorm. So I wanted to see how things held up out here, and I'm happy to say that the boat is dry, even though the rain just poured like crazy. And we have some wetness in here, but I think most of the wetness that's in here was blown in by the wind, because there's a little wetness on the floor, but the boat isn't wet. And so my roof didn't leak, and it wasn't a problem. I don't see any water pockets. I put this signboard material up in the eaves here, and I had some thought what would happen if it leaked through the tin and it got stuck in behind here, but I don't see any signs of anything like that happening. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to put walls up here and back there. Once that's done, I'm going to be looking at making a door here, and I've got an interesting challenge on making my door. For one thing, the top lip of my building slants and the ground slants, so both of them slant at about the same angle. If I made a door that swung open, one side of it would be sticking out in the way over here. If I tried to make one that I had to lift up because of that sideways thing, I'd have to drop it down to get something level, and that wouldn't work. It kind of occurred to me, I think a sliding door would be a good idea. It's got a 12-foot section there. I could have two 6-foot doors, have one that slides sort of over here and one that slides out there. Still thinking about that. I may or may not do something like that, but it's kind of a thought. But I'll decide more on that later. So today I'm just gonna, it's a little chilly-ish. I'm just gonna get started putting my side pieces up and my top pieces, and then we're gonna sort of take a look and see what we got, and go from there. Okay.